Pete Olsen with Meridian Manufacturing, out here at Farm Progress 2019 at the Meridian booth, just getting some product awareness out to our consumers, and we got some new products here between our fuel, augers, conveyors, seed tenders, a little bit of everything. What we sell through our dealer network anyway, so our products are pretty well tailored to the retailers, and looking to resell through our dealers and continue to grow our dealer network throughout the United States and Canada. So the big new product this year at Farm Progress is this newly redesigned 2-box unit. Made a bunch of improvements from our last model, and not only have we gone tandem axle, we've changed our paint, we've changed the way that it folds up and down, we've changed the just simplicity of the product. It's just a lot easier to use, a little more user-friendly, and basically tailoring it to the small guys and economical farmer base. And well, the show today was really good. Weather's been nice. It's not hot, a little bit of breeze, partly cloudy, but other than that, can't really complain.